Well, look what I got in the mail. I have something here. Still got everything intact. This should be a copy of Bigfoot Bill. I looked just yesterday on what was it I bought anyway. I supported something. And I have to admit, I usually, I'll go in for support of stuff. But usually I'm happy with a PDF. So this isn't a PDF. A fulfillment service has brought this to me. See what we got in here. What could it be? Nicely packed. Try not to. Oh yeah, I see some gold leaf. Boy, I must have gone for the works. Let me look. Oh, Nelly, I almost knocked my water off. That would have been good. That would have been good, actually. That would have been good. Just douse my beautiful copy of Bigfoot Bill. I'm going to put this water down floor level. There we go. Wowzer. Yeah, let's crack it open. Move my mic. Whoa! Went to the trouble of signing it. Look at that. Yowzer. Colored by Kelsey Shannon and Catherine Garner. Wowzer, I saw him ink that. I remember I was on the show when he inked that. All he did was complain about perspective the entire time. Wow, nice. A nice jumble of cityscape. Well, I'm going to look forward to this. Like I say, I've seen a lot of it being inked real time. Oh yeah. Here's quite a few pages of story. Of course, it's all got balloons on it now. I can read it. Beautiful. Really glad to own this. Remember, I was there when he inked that one. Of course, a lot of this is this. I'm getting a lot of deja vu. I saw a lot of this inked. Beautiful, beautiful book. Oops, that would have been a big spoiler alert. Except I guess there's more to come. Thanks, Doug.